MINDA has been advising customers, developing and making conveyor solutions in the automotive sector for over 40 years. Our people mover conveyors make your production lines faster, more efficient, and more reliable. The people mover conveyor's modular design provides the perfect match for your production environment. The benefits of this customized solution are obvious. Assembly workers move synchronously on the conveyor belt, allowing faster production belt speeds. Conditions are more ergonomic, as walking alongside the belt's unnecessary, boosting job satisfaction and product quality, because workers standing on moving belts can focus better and assemble vehicles with steady hands. Assembly interiors are cut drastically in the process. Production can proceed quickly and without a hitch. And as MINDA always has a backup plan, our emergency concept ensures production and availability continue, should maintenance or similar processes be required. The modular design allows the process to continuously run smoothly. Existing production lines are easy to retrofit. Due to the low overall height, the system's ideal anywhere. The integrated drive ensures that no complicated remodeling is required. Just slot the component in and you're good to go. Each production line is unique, which is why our people mover conveyors consist of various components that can be combined to suit your needs. As a result, our people mover conveyors make customers' production faster. Fewer errors mean less times required for any readjustments. Therefore, the people mover conveyor quickly pays for itself due to enhanced processes. MINDA people mover conveyors benefit you and your workforce.